Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a smoothie easy. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 to 2 cups of fruit, which can be fresh or frozen for convenience. Next, pick a liquid base like milk, juice, or water, roughly 1 cup. Don't forget any optional boosts, such as a scoop of protein powder or a small handful of spinach, to enhance your drink. Now, let's get to blending. Always pour your liquid base into the blender first. This helps the blades move freely. Then, carefully add all your fruits and any other ingredients you've chosen. Make sure the lid is securely fastened before you begin. Start blending on a low setting, gradually increasing the speed to achieve a creamy consistency. Achieving the perfect consistency is key to a great smoothie. Blend your ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring there are no visible chunks of fruit or ice. If your smoothie is too thick, simply add 1 or 2 tablespoons of liquid at a time until it reaches your desired texture. For a thicker, colder smoothie, toss in a few extra ice cubes or more frozen fruit. Once your smoothie is perfectly blended, it's time to serve and enjoy. Carefully pour your delicious creation into a glass. If you're feeling fancy, you can add a small slice of fruit or a sprinkle of chia seeds as a garnish. Smoothies are best enjoyed immediately after blending to savor their fresh taste and optimal texture. Cheers to your easy, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.